Welcome to the density measurement experiment. By the end of the experiment, the student should be able to 1. Define the density of a material. 2. Understand that density is a property of the material. 3. Identify the type of material from the density measurement. 4. Prepare a suitable experimental setup to determine the density of a material in the form of a regular solid, irregular solid, and liquid. Let's begin. In the upper right corner, you'll find the Stages button, which displays all the experiment stages and allows you to navigate to any stage directly. You can click on the Record button to record your results in the results table, which can be shown by clicking on the Results button. You may run the experiment again with other available solid or liquid. You just need to click on Clear Results after you finish the trials with the chosen solid or liquid. You may end the experiment by clicking on End. Stage 1. Solid with regular shape. The object under investigation, block or cylinder or a sphere, appears next to the vernier caliper on the bench. Drag the object with the mouse and place it on the electronic balance. Click on the Record button to save the reading of the balance. Move the movable jaw of the caliper such that the object is held between the caliper's jaws. Click on the Record button to save the dimension measured for the object. Repeat the previous steps to measure all the dimensions of the object: length, width, and height for a block, diameter and height for a cylinder, and diameter for a sphere. Click on the Clear Results button to repeat the experiment for another object. Click on the Stages button to move on to any of the other parts of the experiment. Stage 2. Solid with irregular shape. Select the object you want to work with, bolt or ring, from the drop-down list. Drag the object with the mouse and place it on the electronic balance. Click on the Record button to save the reading of the balance. Raise the water bottle above the overflow vessel to add some water till it is completely filled to the nozzle. Now, move the object and put it at the top of the overflow vessel, then release it. Some water will overflow from the nozzle of the overflow vessel into the graduated measuring vessel. Determine the volume of the displaced water off the scale of the measuring vessel. Click on the Record button to save the volume of displaced water. Click on the Clear Results button to repeat the experiment for another object. Click on the Stages button to move on to any of the other parts of the experiment. Stage 3. Liquid. Put the measuring vessel above the electronic balance. Its mass will appear in a callout. Click the balance to tare its reading. Drag the plastic beaker to the measuring vessel. Some of the liquid will be poured into the measuring vessel. Click on the record button to save the mass of the liquid. Determine the volume of the liquid inside the measuring vessel, then click Record button. Click on the Clear Results button to repeat the experiment for another object. Click on the End button to download the Excel sheet with your saved data. The experiment has been completed. The downloaded Excel sheet is safe to open. Please open the Excel sheet and click Yes.